Greetings to everyone. I am Shivani from CSB. Our team is team number 10 and our topic is liquid crystal. In this video, we are going to explain about liquid crystals and their characteristics, properties, classifications, types, molecular arrangement, applications. Team 10 CSCB Shivani, Ratanraj, Abel Mathur, Rajesh, Karthik. What are liquid crystals?
Introduction to liquid crystal. Any solid when heated melts to form liquid phase. Some organic solids do not melt directly to form liquid phase. They passes through an intermediate state called liquid crystalline state or mesomorphic state. This state is reversed on cooling and this transition takes place without chemical decomposition. Such compounds are called liquid crystals. Liquid crystals are matter in a state which flow like a liquid but has some degree of ordering in the arrangement of its molecules. It is first discovered in 1888 by Friedrich Richter. What are liquid crystals? A liquid crystal is a thermodynamic stable phase characterized by anisotropy of properties without the existence of a three-dimensional crystal lattice, generally lying in the temperature range between the solid and isotropic liquid phase, hence the term mesophase. Sometimes it is difficult to determine whether a material is a crystal or liquid crystal state. We can see the diagram of liquid crystals.
Hello, I am Abel Matthew. I am from CSEB. Today I am going to talk about characteristics and properties of liquid crystals. The characteristics of the liquid crystals are the physical properties of the liquid crystals are different in different directions. That is, the physical properties of a liquid crystals is depend direction or orientation of molecules. Such a property is called anisotropy. Isotropic properties, on the other hand, does not change with the direction. That is, the physical properties are all in the same direction. Liquid crystals have structure between that of liquid and crystal. The shape of the molecules are in the form of rod like thread or disc. The align parallel to each other and flow like liquid. Thus, the liquid crystals have fluidity of liquid and optical properties to that of solid crystals. Properties of liquid crystals are liquid crystals can flow like a liquid due to loss of positional order. The liquid crystal is optically bifurcant due to its orientational order. And the transition from the crystalline solids to liquid crystal, a chance of temperature gives rise to thermotropic liquid crystals. And last one, the substances that are most likely to form a liquid crystal phase at a certain temperature are molecules that are elongated and have some degree of rigidity. Thank you.
Liquid crystals are classified into 5 types. They are nematic liquid crystals, semitic liquid crystals, cholesteric liquid crystals, discotic liquid crystals, and polymer liquid crystals. We can see about their structures through these images. Now we will know about each one of them. Nematic. Nematic is a type of liquid crystals which are parallel but not layered. The mesomorphic state of these liquids consists of rod-like or thread-shaped molecules. They have anisotropic property. They flow like liquid, and Newtonian concept of viscosity can be applied here. But the viscosity of these liquids are lower than that of other liquids. Example. Second is semitic liquid crystals. These molecules have rod-like structures but arranged in layers. They are arranged in layers and the movement of the molecules takes place by sliding of the layers. Hence, they are soapy character and viscosity of these liquids are very high. They have limited mobility, that is they are not much free to move, and they form non-Newtonian liquid. Example, ethyl para-oxybenzoate. Cholesteric liquid crystals. These type of liquid crystals have characteristics of both nematic and as well as semitic liquid crystals. They show nematic behavior, at the same time they form layer structures, and they give a color effects in polarized light. Lemon found that droplets of these cholesteric liquid crystals when heated rotate violently. This is called Lemon rotation phenomena. This found in the cholesteric liquid crystals especially. These liquid crystals also do not obey Newtonian float properties. Example, cholesterol benzoate. The third one is discotic liquid crystals. These are disc-shaped liquid crystals which can exist in more than one mesomorphic phase. They are further classified as columnar discotic liquid crystals and nematic discotic liquid crystals. The columnar phase consists of discs scattered one on the top of the other, forming liquid columns. This forms to expansionally and isothermal compressibility increase rapidly as the temperature approaches the nematic isotropic point, at which there is complete breakdown of the long orientation order. So, as the pressure is raised, both the solid to nematic and nematic to isotropic, that is liquid, transition temperature increases. We can know more about the columnar distic phase and nematic distic phase and their difference by their structure. Now, the fifth one is polymer liquid crystals. These are polymers formed from specific monomers containing suitable side groups. Rod-like or disc-like groups are attached as substrate groups in the monomer. When this monomer is polymerized, the rod-shaped or disc-shaped groups are attached to the backbone of the main chain of the polymer. We can notice that there are two types, that is rod-shaped polymer liquid crystals and disc-shaped polymer liquid crystals. And we can know the difference by the structures and is the table of liquid crystals. Their types, shape, Newtonian concept, mobility, viscosity, and their examples. First one, nematic. The shape is rod-like and thread shape. Newtonian concept, they will obey the Newtonian concept and they flow like liquids. Viscosity is lower than the other liquids. Example is cyano by phenyl. Symmetric, rod-like but arranged in layers. They do not obey the Newtonian concept and they are not free to move. Viscosity is very high. Example for cyanobenzylidene. Cholesteric, they form layer structures and they do not obey the Newtonian concept. The mobility is limited. The viscosity is very low, and the example is hydroxypropyl cellulose. Discotic, disc shaped. They obey the Newtonian concept, but there is no mobility. Viscosity is very high. Hexabenzocoronaine is the example of discotic. Polymer. Polymer is rod-like and disc-shaped. They will obey the Newtonian concept, and their example is Victron.
Hello friends, my name is Karthik. I am from CSCB. I am here to explain you the types of liquid crystals. There are two types of liquid crystals, thermotropic and lyotropic. Thermotropic liquid crystals. Thermotropic liquid crystals are defined as the liquid crystals which change order of its components with change in temperature. If the temperature is raised too high, disorderness is created in liquid crystals due to thermal motion. At too low temperature, the liquid crystals from conventional crystal. And now, lyotropic liquid crystals. Lyotropic liquid crystals consist of two or more components that exhibit liquid crystalline properties in certain concentration ranges. In the lyotropic phases, solvent molecules fill the space around the compounds to provide fluidity to the system. These structures are formed through the microphase segregation of two incompatible components on a nanometer scale. Now, let's see the molecular arrangement in liquid crystals. Firstly, nematic phase. It is thread-like structure when seen under microscope. It is only crystal phase with no long transitional order. Molecules in the phase are long and rod-like. They are free to move in space. The nematic liquid crystal phase is characterized by molecules that have no positional order but tend to point in the same direction. And secondly, smectic phase. Smectic phase show transitional order which is not shown by the nematic phase. These phases can be seen as crystalline in one direction and liquid-like in other two directions. Smectic phase retain a two-dimensional order. In the smectic phase, the layer of the molecules are quite flexible. It is unaffected by magnetic and electric fields. Lastly, true liquid. Chiral molecules lacking a center of symmetry can assume a chlorostic phase, also called as a chiral nematic phase. Important characteristic of the chlorostic mesophase is the pitch. An application of a class of a chiral nematic liquid crystals which are less temperature sensitive is to create materials such as clothing, inks, dolls and paints. And now my friend Rajesh will explain the application of liquid crystals.
Hi everyone, this is Rajesh Amzala from Team 10. Today I am going to discuss about the topic applications of liquid crystals. Liquid crystals are used extensively in pharmaceutical industries. Cholestic liquid crystal substances, when applied to the skin, have been used to locate veins, arteries, infections. Liquid crystals are widely used in cosmetic industry in manufacturing of liquid crystals, makeup removers, lipsticks, and lip glosses. Pneumatic liquid crystals are useful research tools in the applications of magnetic resonance. We just take a look into modern applications like temperature sensors, LCD screens, liquid crystal thermometers, battery charge indicators, body temperature image. Liquid crystal displays are common in the calculator, digital watches, oscillographic systems, etc. used for fire resistance.
And here comes the end of the project and for our topic liquid crystals. Special thanks to Chandrakala ma'am for giving us the opportunity. Thank you. Signing off, Team 10.